Welcome back to my channel Rajguru Chemistry. Today in this video we are going to discuss the topic of term simple. This topic is very important. From this topic questions will be asked the exams like CSIR, NET, SET, GATE exam, PGTRB and Polytechnic TRB exams. Term simple indicate the electronic configuration and resultant angular momentum of an atom. The formula is given by L, J, 2s plus 1. In subscript, J is written. In superscript, 2s plus 1 is written. J is the total angular momentum. 2s plus 1 is the spin multiplicity. S is the total spin of electron. Electrons have two types of spins. One is the upward direction and another one is the downward direction. If the electron is spinning in upward direction, the value of S is equal to plus of. If the electron is in the downward direction, the value of S is minus of. The value of L is 0, the term is given as S. L is equal to 1, the term is P. L is equal to 2, the term is D, and so on. Then how will you calculate the value of L? L is equal to number of electrons into magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum numbers are, for example, in p orbital is 0, minus 1, this is plus 1. These are the magnetic quantum number, plus 1, 0, minus 1. In p orbital, for example, in p2 orbital, there are 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are written as 1, 2. The magnetic quantum number is plus 1, 0, minus 1. So the total value of L is equal to 1. L is equal to 1, the term is given as P. Right? Then how will you calculate the value of S? S is equal to number of unpaired electron into half. If 2 unpaired electrons is present, 2 into 1 by 2. So the value of S is equal to 1. Then calculate the value of J. J is equal to L plus S to L minus S. If the orbital is half filled or less than half filled, J value is given by L minus S. If the orbital is more than half filled, J is equal to L plus S. Half filled and less than half filled. For example, p orbital, P6 is the completely filled. Half filled is P3 and P2. This is half filled, this is less than half filled. So P3 and P2 term, the value of J will be calculated as L minus S value. P6 is the completely filled orbital, that is more than half filled. If we calculate the value is J is equal to L plus S. Okay. For example, P2 orbital, the number of electrons is 2. 1, 2. Okay. Magnetic quantum number is written as plus 1, 0, minus 1. The value of L will be calculated 1 into 1, that is L is equal to 1. So L is equal to 1, the term is P. The value of S is equal to, totally 2 electrons are present. Both electrons are in the upward direction. So the value of S is equal to plus of, that is equal to 1. S value is equal to 1 and L value is equal to 1. J is equal to L plus S to L minus S. This orbital is less than half filled. So we can calculate the value of J is equal to L minus S only. L is equal to 1 and S is equal to 1. So the value of J is equal to 0. So the term is written as 3P0. Next P3 orbital, the magnetic quantum number plus 1, 0, minus 1. 3 electrons are filled in 1, 2, 3. The value of L is equal to 0 3 electrons, the value S is equal to 3 by 2. L is equal to 0, the term is S. Totally 3 unpaired electrons are present. So, we know the short formula L n plus 1. L is the 0, n is the number of unpaired electrons are present in the orbital. There are 3 unpaired electrons, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. We can also use this formula. P for electronic configuration. Plus 1, 0, minus 1. According to Hund's rule, the electrons are filled 1, 2, 3. The fourth electron will be filled in this orbital. So the value of L is equal to 2 into 1. This is 0. This is minus 1. Value of L is equal to 1. Spin value here is 0. Plus of that is equal to S. The value of S is 1. L is equal to 1. The term is written as P. Number of unpaired electrons is 2. So the formula n plus 1, that is 3. This orbital is more than half filled. So the value of J is L plus S, that is equal to 2. The term is 3p2. Next, D6 electronic configuration. This orbital is more than half filled. So the value of J is equal to L plus S. The electrons are given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th electron is entered here. So the value of L will be calculated as 2. The value of S is equal to 2. Off and off. That is equal to 2. L plus S is equal to 4. So the term L is equal to 2. It will written as D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unpaired electrons are present. So the value of 2S plus 1 is equal to 5. J is equal to 4. So the term is written as 5D4. Then D5 configuration. This orbital is half filled. Half filled, the value of J is equal to L minus S. Totally 5 unpaired electrons are present. So the value of S is equal to 5 by 2. The value of S is equal to 0. Means plus 2, minus 2, plus 1, minus 1. Totally the value of L is equal to 0. L is equal to 0, the term is given as S. 5 unpaired electrons, so n plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. J is equal to minus 5 by 2. Because this is a half-filled configuration, so we can have a value of J is equal to L minus S and minus 5 by 2. So the term is written as 6S minus 5 by 2. Cut. Atomic term simple. Possible number of values of J is 2S plus 1 when L is less than S. Possible number of values of J is 2L plus 1 when L is less than S. It should be keep in mind. This is some tips to calculate the ground state term. The term has maximum 2S plus 1 value, that is the ground state term. 2S plus value is superscript L, J, 2S plus 1 is the superscript. This 2S plus 1 value has maximum number, that will be a ground state term. If more than one term form has same 2S plus 1 value, maximum L value is a ground state term. Sometimes same 2S plus value. Same 2S plus value means 3 F and 3 D. Same 2S plus value. That cases maximum number of L value. Maximum number of L value is the ground state term. Maximum value of L value is F. So this one is the ground state term. Okay. Next, if same value of L value, how will you calculate the ground term? Half filled or less than half filled. Low J value is the ground state term. More than half filled configuration, higher value of J is the ground state term. These are also keep in mind. same 2s plus 1 value, same L value, but different J values. How will you calculate the ground state term? If the configuration, electronic configuration is off field or less than off field, lowest value of J is a ground term. If the electronic configuration is more than half filled, this is the ground state term. Higher value of J is the ground term.